on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. Then he took his own penknife, all the dare, all done. And there he took their young sweet lives, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. Took the youngest by the hand, all the dare, all done. He wheeled around and made her stand, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio, saying, will you be a robber's wife, all the dare, all done. Or will you die by my penknife, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. All the dare, all right, all the dare, all go. Maidens, watch out where you roam, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. I will not be a robber's wife, all the dare, all done. And I will not die by your penknife, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. If my brothers rosely dare, all the dare, all done. You would not kill my sisters dear, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. Who are your brothers, come tell me, all the dare, all done. A minister one hosted me, on the bonny, bonny banks of Virgio. All the dare, all right, all the dare.
Well, there's a noble fleet of whalers a-sailing from Dundee, manned by British sailors to take them o'er the sea. On a Western Ocean passage we started on our trip, and we flew along just like a song on a gallant whaling ship. For the wind was on our quarter and the engines running free. There's not another whaler to sail the Arctic Sea can beat the old Paulina. You need not try, my sons, for we challenged all, both great and small, from Dundee to St. John's. Was the second Sunday morning, just after leaving port, we met a heavy sou'west gale. It washed away our boat, it washed away our quarterdeck and our stanchions just as well, and soon we found the whole shebang a-floating in the gale. For the wind was on our quarter and the engines running free. There's not another whaler to sail the Arctic Sea can beat the old Paulina. You need not try, my sons, for we challenged all, both great and small, from Dundee